Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with an other video, and today's video about this Volvo L220H wheel loader. The problem of this wheel loader is that this wheel loader is malfunctioning during the starting. Sometimes it start very easily, but sometimes it take a time. Its starter motor is sometimes not engaged to the flywheels, and sometimes just only is giving tick tick. So I'm going to check what is the issue this wheel loader. Okay, so please be with me, because you know I always make the live videos. So I'm going to the starter side and I will ask to the operator to try to start it, and I will check what is the problem. Start. So as you can see, heard the sound tick tick tick. Operator is trying to start, but it's not starting. नहीं स्टार्ट हो रही, स्टार्ट कर। So viewers, you heard this sound is coming tick tick, but it's not starting. So I'm going to use a tester. So viewers, now I'm going to check my relay by using this test lamp. Here you can see the battery voltages are coming. Now switch is on, so switch voltage is also coming here. Switch voltage is coming, but I think this relay is not energized, therefore this battery voltages. Okay, and this one is our switch voltage. So it means switch voltage is coming, but these voltages, battery voltage is not passing. It means my relay is not energizing, so relay is faulty. So it's mean my problem is a relay. First I change this relay, afterward I check the starter. I will remove this relay because this time this relay is showing the problem. Okay, so this relay I will change. So I don't have the new one relay with me. I have an old one spare with me. I will fix that relay here, and after it I will check my problem is finished or not. So you can see here, this is a main issue. You can see this is too much shaking. Viewers, you can see this one is a starting relay. Okay, so this was the old one. It was spare with me. So I'm going to fix this relay. You can see I have removed the old relay and fix another one. So now is my electrical connection is remaining. So as you can see, now I have made the connections. I fixed the electrical connection back here. Okay, so now I will ask to operator start. Okay, start. Wait. फिर करो। So viewers, you heard the sound. This is a problem to starter. The motor is working, but pinion is not engaged to the flywheel. Viewers, you heard the sound. That sound is the motor is working, but it is not engaged to the flywheel. So therefore, I am going to remove this starter out and we'll check outside what is the problem. Why I already have removed the electrical connections. Here you can say remove the electrical connection. Already I have removed. So now I will open this. Will remove this bolt. One bolt is here, one is this one, and one is downsides. Three. After removing these three bolts, I take this starter out and outside I check. So as you can see, I have make service of this. Open this one and make service. So now is also this bolt. This nut was little loose, this one, and this nut was little loose. Also I tighten one. Okay, so now I'm going to test it and checking my problem is finished or not. So I'm going to, this is my giving the power. So here you can see, Hi viewers, you can see I have fixed the starter back, making services, and also I tight its solenoids bolt is here and downside one. Okay, I tighten it. There was little loose, and also I make service of this pinion. And now you can see I have so fixed back, and also I made the connections. So now I'm going to start the loader in front of you. So can you see? Okay, start. Start. So this now I am going to remove this starter. This is on another machine. This machine is also breakdown, but starter motor is okay. So I will remove this starter motor and fix that machine, because that machine is in need urgent. So this machine is already breakdown. So I this time 2 days of holiday times, so I don't have the new starter. So I am fixing an other machine starter here. So I'm going to remove this one and fix that machine. As you can see, I removed this starter from the other machine. This is one is a bad one, and this I removed from the other machine, and I'm going to fix in this machine here. Okay, you can see I have fixed the starter back. I'm now going to start it. I fixed also connections and going to start it. Karo start jaag. So now it's going to start.